Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. On today's video I have my BMW E36 here. This is the 1992 E36. I'm just gonna get it started. I tried starting it the other day and I had some issues, and this is what I wanted to show you. If you have a problem with your starting and you definitely know it's not your fuel pump, because I removed my fuel pump and I tested it and it was working. It turned out to be the fuel pump relay. So I just want to show you where you can find the fuel pump relay on the E36. Forgive the the mess here, but my car is cramped and tucked somewhere. It hasn't been out of here for years, and maybe it will one day, but just want to get it started, make sure it's running. Definitely needs some TLC. Bit of corrosion there, which doesn't help. Anyway, the fuel pump relay, if you come here to the fuse box, it's this one here. So I actually ordered one from eBay. It came from Germany, because I couldn't really find any relays anywhere. I could find some Chinese ones. I think they were some on AliExpress or something, but it would take quite a long time for them to come, and also wasn't too sure of the quality of that. So I decided to get that one from Germany, which was I didn't think relays can be so expensive these days. But they are. So anyway, I did service this car a few years ago, maybe an oil change and whatnot, because previous to that, again, it had been not running for a long time. So let's try and see if we can get it going. I mean, I did get it going the other day, but I wanted to show you that, and hopefully, but it was misfiring a little bit. But again, I put that down to the car not being reading for some time. It wants to start. It needs hang on, I wanna put the fan blower down and also get this radio down. Okay, let's give it another go. Okay, it's kind of it is running, still misfiring. I mean, at this point it could be anything. It could be blocked injectors, it could be spark plugs, coil packs. Any of those could be misfiring, or could be, I mean, malfunctioning. But that is my next job on this car. I need to get it going, but and hopefully get it out of here one day, take it for a little drive. Does need an MOT, but it's been hiding here forever. So anyway, I wanted to show you the relay, and in case you have issues, that's where the fuel pump relay is, and the fuel pump fuse is also there, by the way. But it is actually, maybe that I can show you as well. The fuel pump fuse, if I can get past here. I often have lots of meetings with the spiders here. Let's take this out. The fuse list, it's here, and the fuel pump, it's It's somewhere here. I did see it the other day. Here. Right, fuel pump, fuse number 18. And fuse number 18 shown here is a 15 ampere fuse. And here you have a little, it shows you in this diagram how the fuses are numbered. So between 1 and 10 is in this row, 11 and 20 in this row, and 21 and 30 and so on. So we're looking for 18, 15 amps. So we start with this row of fuses here. In the middle here are the relays, and some of the other relays are here. So fuse number 18 would be, so starting from here would be 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, this blue one here. So you can take that out and check the filament inside. I did, it's good, obviously the car started. And that's where you can find the fuel pump fuse, and the relay is there. And then we have all the rest, obviously, of fuses and whatnot. But yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. If you still, if anybody still has an E36 lying around, anyway, hope the video helps. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.